Hello everyone, my name is Bill, and today we're going to solve the third question of the 2025 CCC Junior Contest. It is called Product Codes. So in this question, we're trying to translate a list of codes into new codes. So here is the Python 3 version of the code. So first, we make n the number of codes we have to process, and we loop the program n times. So in each loop, we will make code the original code. Total will be the number at the end. Numstra will help us store numbers that are multiple digits long. And new code will store the processed code. So now we check each variable of the original code. If the variable we are checking is a digit, then we put this digit at the end of numstra. And if the current variable is a dash sign, then we check if something's already in numstra. If there's already a number in numstra, we add it to the total and we clear it. So now the next number will start with a minus sign. If the variable is not a number or the dash sign, that means it is a letter. We first check if there's something in numstra already. If there is, we add it to the total and then we clear numstra. And then we check if the variable is an uppercase letter. If it is, we add it to the new code. And if not, we don't do anything. And if the original code ended with a number, then numstra would not be empty. So we add numstra to the total at the end, and then we simply just print the new code with the total at the end. So here is the C++ version of the code. As you can see, the Python 3 version of the code works perfectly. The C++ version also works. Thank you for watching.